Your device is missing important security updates. KB5083769 not installing Windows 11. Follow in order. Stop when it gets fixed. Number 1. Quick fix, restart update components. Open command prompt admin and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Then you can see the code in our conversation history. Now restart services. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC and check update again. Number 2, repair broken system files. Very important. Still failing? Run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Then you can see the code in our conversation history. This fixes the missing security updates false error caused by corruption. Number 3, force install the update manually. 1. Open browser. 2. Search KB5083769 Microsoft Update Catalog. 3. Download version matching your system x64 usually. 4. Install it manually. Number 4, check these hidden causes. Make sure date and time correct, auto sync on, at least 20 gigabytes free space, VPN off, antivirus temporarily disabled. Number 5, fix stuck security message, common trick. If message still shows, 1. Go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. 2. If update is already partially installed, run, you can see the code in our conversation history. Restart and check again. Number 6, last option, 100% working. Do an in-place upgrade. 1. Download Windows 11 Installation Assistant. 2. Run it. 3. Choose Keep Files and Apps. This refreshes Windows without deleting anything and fixes update errors permanently. Reality check. This error usually happens because corrupted update cache, broken system files, failed previous updates stuck in system. 90% of cases are fixed by step 1 plus step 2.